So last night I stayed at a Walmart in Western Maryland. The Walmart was really convenient off of the I-68. It's absolutely beautiful here, but it's been raining a lot. The parking lot was large. It was a little uneven, so I had to use my... So I just got stopped by somebody that was asking me if the Airstream was for sale, and we started talking. We talked about fishing in the area, and he's going fishing for trout. So anyways, back to the Walmart here in Western Maryland. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's been doing a lot of raining, and it's pretty convenient. There's a mall attached to this Walmart, and a lot of stores have gone out of business, the Sears, the Pennies, and there is a Tractor Supply place just down the road, within 2 miles. So I refilled my propane tanks and also went to a Love's and emptied the tanks. The parking lot was a little bit uneven, as I stated earlier, so I did have to use the levelers. There's definitely some noise in the parking lot with people accessing Walmart. But it settles down about 10 at night, 9:30, 10 at night. They close at 11. And I called her and they said, come on ahead and park out in the garden center or the pharmacy. Colors in the trees today, and it's a shot of the parking lot of the mall. So it was very convenient, and they also had Wi-Fi at Walmart that you could use. But other than that, I highly recommend it, and it was very convenient, and thanks for watching.